In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button block to your page and configure it to send an email, effectively enhancing the interactivity and functionality of your website. Adding a button that links directly to an email can be a great way to encourage more direct communication, making it easier for visitors to reach out to you or your business. Let's dive into the process. First, we'll begin by editing your page layout to incorporate the button block. To do this, open the page you'd like to edit. Once there, locate the option to add new content to your layout. You'll usually find a plus icon or an Add Block button. Click on this, and from the menu that appears, select the Button Block option. This will place a new button on your page, which you can then style and configure further. Take a moment to think about where your button should be positioned for optimal visibility and access. This placement can significantly affect how often visitors use it. Now, let's focus on personalizing the button to suit your needs. Click directly on the newly placed button, and you should see an option to edit it, often represented by a pencil icon or an edit label. Once you're in the editing mode, you'll have the opportunity to customize the button's text, color, and size to make sure it aligns perfectly with your website's design aesthetic. This is your chance to be creative and ensure the button stands out while matching your website's overall theme. With your button looking exactly how you want it to, it's time to set its functionality. Click on the link section within the button editor. Here you'll find a drop-down menu or list. Select email as the type of link you want the button to activate. This will configure the button to open a new email message in the visitor's default email client when clicked. Now we get to the crucial part. Entering the email details. In the provided fields, type the email address where you'd like to receive messages sent through the button. This ensures any queries or feedback arrive directly in your inbox. Additionally, you can save your visitors a step by pre-filling some information. Use the designated fields to add a subject line and a brief message in the body. This feature is not only convenient for those reaching out, but also helps you quickly identify the context of the incoming emails. Once all these details are correctly filled out, it's vital to save your work. Typically, there's a Home button at the top or bottom of your editor page. Click this to ensure your changes to the button, and consequently to the entire page, are recorded and visible when the site is next accessed. Double-check the link by previewing your page and clicking the button to verify that it performs the desired action correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and configured a button block that sends an email, enhancing your website's interactive features.